Hey guys, it's Abby with In the Garage, and today we're taking a look at the RB20 running boards from GoRhino on this Jeep Gladiator. The RB20s are great for adding convenience and flair to your truck or Jeep. While we're showcasing the RB20s on this Gladiator, they're also available for the Jeep JL and JK models, as well as most full-size and mid-size trucks. The RB20s are 5 inches wide and made from a zinc-coated steel, plus they're one solid piece for that strong, tough step that can support hundreds of pounds. These steps have style and function with their welded angular ends, which keep corrosive elements and road debris out. RB20s from GoRhino have a rugged, off-road look and function. The high ground clearance is great for off-road adventures, but the RB20s are still functional in the everyday to make getting in and out of your vehicle easier. The RB20s from GoRhino are available in a black texture finish as well as a bed liner coating. These steps are aerodynamic for optimal performance plus a flush fit. RB20s make a statement by mimicking the off-road ready style of the Ford Raptor OE steps. Compared to the RB10s from GoRhino, the RB20s have a more angular, contemporary shape with a bullet-shaped punch pattern. For builds with bigger tires and lifts, GoRhino also has an optional 4-inch drop-down step that bolt on the underside mounting channel built into these running boards. These come in pairs and are sold separately, but they're convenient for family or daily driver vehicles. And for off-road clearance and play, simply remove the drop steps. Overall, the RB20 running boards provide a strong, stable platform, wheel-to-wheel step that makes even rooftop access easier. You can even add a matching RB20 hitch step for an overall cohesive look. This is a pretty straightforward installation, plus no drilling required. So we rate this a 2 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour or an hour and a half, just depending on your experience. The GoRhino RB20 running boards are backed by a 5-year warranty. If you would like to purchase the RB20 running boards or have them installed, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.